Hola caracoles y bienvenidos a Spring Spanish. Yo soy Cori, I am Cory, and I am one of the Spanish teachers here at Spring Spanish. ¿Alguna vez has querido chulearle la ropa a alguien, pero no sabes el nombre de cada cosa? Have you ever wanted to compliment somebody's clothes, but you didn't know the name of each item in Spanish? Well, don't go any further, because in this video, I will teach you the name of each of the items of clothes that you use every day. Y tal vez tire por ahí unas clases de styling. I might throw in there some styling lessons. Así que, comencemos. But before I go further, we publish 5 weekly Spanish lessons on our channel. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you will receive all our notifications and you won't miss a lesson. Oh, and look, magia. Este vestido queda espectacular. This dress fits spectacularly. But las mujeres nunca tienen que ponerse. Women never have anything to wear. ¿Por qué no te pruebas el pantalón? Why don't you try on the pants? Nunca quiero quitarme estos zapatos. I never want to take off these shoes. Voy a vestir un short para la fiesta. I'm going to wear a short for the party. Ella quiere comprarse un sombrero nuevo. She wants to buy a new hat. Phew, me cansé. It was tiring. Now, let's take a break and look into some clothing-related vocabulary. So, for example, let's say that you went shopping. ¿Quieres saber si tienen alguna ropa de tu talla? And you want to know if there is a clothing item on your size. Hola, ¿tiene esta falda en mi talla? ¿Qué talla es usted? No estoy segura si es talla chica o mediana. No, solo nos queda talla grande. ¿Tendrá algo parecido con botones o cierre? ¿Cierre? Oh, disculpe, cremallera. Pues mire, tenemos este modelo, es de algodón con estampado animal. Ese estampado está pasado de moda. Oh, creo que prefiero un vestido a rayas. What do you think of that? Siempre hay clientes difíciles. There are always picky customers. Now that you know some clothes-related vocabulary, you have graduated. So let's see each item in a very jumpy and snappy way. Let's go! Camisa, shirt, playera o remera, t-shirt, camiseta, tank top, chaqueta o chamarra, jacket, suéter, sweater, abrigo, coat, impermeable, raincoat, botas de lluvia, rain boots, vestido, dress y plataformas, wedges, vestido de fiesta, party outfit, pantalones, pants, tenis, falda, skirt, tacones, high heels, shorts, sandalias, flip-flops, jeans o pantalones de mezclilla, jeans, pijama, y pantuflas, slippers, jumper. Muy bien. ¿Me faltó alguna pieza de ropa? Did I miss a clothing piece? ¿Qué traes puesto ahora? What are you wearing now? Let me know in the comments. I hope next time you go shopping or you want to compliment somebody's clothes, you will know the name of each item. Feel free to check out the other videos from me and the other Spanish teachers on our channel. We also have a free, more in-depth Spanish training on our website where you will learn the method that we use in our Spring Spanish Academy to have you speaking Spanish super rápido, super fast. You also get some free sample Spanish lessons there that come straight from our academy. So, click the link in the description below to sign up. And that was all for today. I had so much fun filming this, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment so I can do a next video like this. Thank you so much. Gracias totales. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and share the video with your friends.